In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your camshaft position sensor on your Kia Soul. It's located under the hood. All right, we're going to disconnect our negative battery terminal. Use a 10mm socket. Make sure you put your terminal off to the side, not touching any metal. All right, we're going to take our plastic cover off, our engine cover. You just pull it. All right, so your camshaft position sensors, there's one here, there's one here. This one's the exhaust camshaft position sensor, and this is the intake camshaft position sensor. They are interchangeable as a part, so I'm going to show you how to replace this one. It's the same for the other one. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to push down on this, which I just found out about. I used to take these clips out completely and then unplug it. I didn't know that you could just push down, pull it out. So there we go. I've been doing the wrong thing for years. So disconnect that and take your 10mm socket. Loosen up this bolt. Out. I usually twist them a little bit, and then I pull it right out. You're going to want to put a little bit of oil on that O-ring. And then just make sure you wipe off any excess, if it got anywhere but the O-ring. And now we are going to place it into where it lives. I'm going to twist it a little bit, make sure it seats in there. Once it gets in, you can take your bolt, tighten it by hand at first. All right, once you snug that down, you're going to torque it to 8 foot-pounds. All right, and now we can put our cover back on, line up a couple of them, and it should all fall into place. And you just apply some pressure and snap it in. All right, after you install your engine cover, connect your battery, you can take it for a test drive. I'm going to connect our negative battery terminal, push it down all the way, get a 10mm socket. And tighten it down. Just make sure you check your terminal, make sure it doesn't move once you have it on your battery.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.